Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to hide and show the ribbon in the latest version of Microsoft Excel. In order to do that, here I have created a blank sheet, and the ribbon, as we can say, it is the control panel above your Excel sheet, which is located here. Okay, so now it is stable. You can see all the controls, all the formulas, etc. And let's say you want to hide this. You go to this menus right corner down here and you click this down arrow and you just say full mode. And you can see now we have hide the ribbon above. Everything you can see here. You can do whatever you want. You can add also a sheet, etc. But let's say you want to see your ribbon once again. Simply you go up right corner and you click these three dots. And you can see now you can see the ribbon, but it's not stable. As soon as you click in a cell, it's hide once again. Let's see that you want to make it stable. We click these three dots. We are going down here to the down arrow, and as you can see from full screen, we're gonna switch to always show ribbon. Besides that, let's see that you don't switch to full screen. You can do the following. You go once again to ribbon down here, down right corner. Click the arrow here and just say show tabs only. You're not entered to the full screen. You can still see the menu here of the formulas and the data, etc. But you cannot see the tabs menu of ribbon. In order to do that, you have to go to view, and you can still view it, but as soon as you click in a cell, you see it's disappearing. In order to make it visible and stable, we have to click view and down here the arrow once again, and you say always show ribbon. And now you can see the ribbon menu above your Excel sheet. It's visible and stable. So the video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thanks for watching me, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.